after it started raining. Yeah, we'll just wait it over right now. I'm waiting for Steffen. I'll go pick him up in approximately 5 minutes, and then we'll head back to the hangar and get the aircraft ready, and then we'll fly out. Look at the weather as well a second time. All right, Steffen. So what are we doing today?
We are going a trip to Samsø.
Indeed.
A small little Danish island.
Yep.
It's
And
surprising my parents.
That's correct.
They are in their holding home.
Yeah.
And don't know we are coming. So about 45 minutes from now, we are gonna arrive at Samsø.
That's correct. And to be precise, it's something to do with your dad, right?
Yeah, he always wanted to fly an airplane, and he actually never did. Always been talking about it. So today it's gonna be his first trip in airplane.
Yeah,
so,
exactly. And just a little disclaimer, obviously I'm flying, but we're just giving him the little experience of picking him up, and it's his birthday, I believe. Was it a 2 days ago?
Yeah, actually, it was a month ago, so we are a little bit behind, but anyway, it's still kind of a gift.
Roskilde Tower, Oscar India, ready for departure 29er, and request to leave the zone by Lyra or Romeo Kilo.
Oscar India, after departure, leave via Lyra, maximum 1,500, line up 29.
After departure, leave via Lyra, maximum 1,500 feet or below, and line up Romeo 29er, Oscar India.
And Oscar India, for my information, how many on board?
2 persons on board, Oscar India.
Thank you. Wind 28019er, gust 25, minimum 9er, 29, you cleared for takeoff.
Runway 29er, cleared for takeoff, Oscar India.
Så er vi sgu nede? Ja.
Alright, so we're just packing up the flight now. I thought it was an amazing idea from Steffen. He basically surprised his dad, and he had to sit down for, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes before he realized that he will go flying in this Piper. So it's very, very cool. So we're just picking up the flight now and heading back to Copenhagen. Talk to you.
Started 2,000 RPM. Engine is much checked.
Alright, so we are on the return trip. What you're seeing here is Steffen's dad, the man of the hour. Like I said before, he had to sit down for 5 minutes just to realize that he was going flying. he had a lot of questions. He asked, how do you do this, how do you do that, and so forth. And the smile you see here says it all. So that is it for this episode. Please make sure to follow, like the video, and subscribe.